this video, we will show you how to change the parking brake shoes on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Jeep Grand Cherokee safely. And if your Grand Cherokee is equipped with Quadralift air suspension, you want to watch it. This will avoid damaging your suspension system. Activate the jack mode. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Before you start, release the parking brake, otherwise the operation will be impossible. You need to remove the brake system. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now you can see your vehicle's parking brake shoes. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the upper spring that holds the two brake shoes together. You can also use a fork to help you. Using pliers, rotate the front brake shoe's quarter-turn cup to release the hold-down clip. Then remove the pin. Then move the two brake shoes aside and remove the adjuster. You can now remove the front brake shoe from its slot. To do so, disengage the brake shoe from the lower springs. Perform the same operation on the rear brake shoe. Remove the rear brake shoe. Clean the brake backing plate with a wire brush, brake cleaner, and paper towels. Grease the bearing surfaces of the parking brake shoes with copper grease. You can order the parking brake shoes kit used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new adjuster. Apply copper grease to the threads to prevent corrosion over time. Then assemble the adjuster as shown in the video. Take the parking brake shoes and the lower spring. Lightly coat the ends of the brake shoes with copper grease to help them slide more easily. Install the first lower spring on the rear of a brake shoe and put the brake shoe in place. Then install the rear brake shoe in its slot. Take the second lower spring and install it. You can use a fork. Now you can put the first hold-down pin, then install the spring and the quarter-turn cup using pliers. Then put the upper spring back in place. Put the adjuster back in place between the brake shoes, paying attention to the direction of assembly. Put it back in the same position as shown in the video. Now you can put the second hold-down pin. Then install the spring and the quarter-turn cup using pliers. Unscrew the adjuster by a few threads to bring the brake shoes closer to the position where they rub against the brake disc. Clean the wheel hub with a wire brush, brake cleaner, and paper towels. Then clean the contact surface between the brake shoes and the disc with brake cleaner and paper towels. Now put the brake system back in place. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. If your Grand Cherokee is equipped with Quadra-Lift air suspension, you can now turn off the jack mode. Don't forget to screw the brake fluid cap back on before starting the vehicle. Attention! Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to push the brake pads together again. Operation complete.